Are you concerned about your privacy on Snapchat? In this helpful video, I'll show you how to make your Snapchat account private. This way, only people who you approve of can see your snaps and stories. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. First of all, let's open up the Snapchat application and then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on the profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. So now what you want to do next is scroll down until you see a section called Privacy Control. Once you find it, tap on the first option. Contact me. Who can contact you directly with snaps, calls, chats, etc. Right now, this is set for everyone. So in order to make the account private, change this to friends. And now only your friends can contact you. After that, go back and tap on View My Story. Change it to France only. You can also tap on Custom and block certain friends from viewing your story. Now go back and tap on See Me in Quick Add, and you want to unpick this? Show Me in Quick Add. Now your account won't be shown in Quick Add. Go back to the settings screen and tap on See My Location. So now you have a couple of different options to choose from. Right now it's set to My Friends, which means all of your friends are able to see your location. The second option is My Friends Except. If you select that, you can block some of your friends from seeing your location. And the third option is Only These Friends. If you select that one, you can select specific friends, and only those selected friends will be able to see your location. And at the top, Ghost Mode. If you toggle this on, your location will be hidden from everyone. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select Ghost Mode. Select the duration that you want the Ghost Mode to be enabled. And now my Snapchat account is completely private. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.